Good evening, everybody. Ready for another unboxing video? I know I am. I know I am. Today is a light day, but a blessed day because somebody somewhere out there thought about us. Let's see who. Here is the first box. Let's see. Oh, this is my personal stuff. You know what? I try because you all now send stuff, I try to order under my husband's name, but sometimes I forget. And so, just so that this doesn't happen, but it happens. So we're going to keep going. Here's the next box. What is this? Oh my God. Who is this smart human being? Kool-Aid Jammers juice boxes. Now, I put on there some, what do you call those? Like some smaller iced teas on there, because these Southerners, they love their iced teas, child. And they were like the green leaf iced teas, but nobody got them, and so I just said I'll leave them sitting there, and I did want some things in there for people to be able to drink, especially the kids, especially since they are coming to the pantry now more than ever, because they like looking inside. This is going to be amazing. Who was this, my sister? Oh, and there's another one in here. Oh, they did it big. It's 30 pouches in one. That's why it's so heavy, and that's why my husband struggled bringing it in. 30 pouches, variety pack is tropical punch, 10 tropical punch, 10 grape, 10 cherry. Ooh, the Stand By Me gang gonna love this. That is amazing. Thank you so much. And let's see. A box inside of a box. I can always tell based on what people seeing, what they choose from the list, kind of a little bit about who they are. These are the variety pack Pop-Tarts. This is someone who loves kids. Look, it's blueberry and strawberry. Oh my God, that is amazing. I figure I could put these in there individually and they can just grab them on their way to school in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I told you we have a large, quite a few actually. In fact, high schoolers and middle schoolers who walk past my door every single morning, walk past that pantry every single morning. This is amazing. Let's see who sent this to us. The rat that's inside these boxes always triggers my asthma. Everything triggers my fucking asthma, though. Everything. There is a difference between an asthmatic and a severe asthmatic. Have my husband make me some mullein tea. Susan Moore. Susan Moore, please step forward to the front of the room because I'm not familiar with your internet handle and I need to know who you are. Okay, Susan Moore. I need to know who you are, babes, because this was magnificent. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and this was the box. This is the stuff that I ordered. The next, oh, it's a book. Woo, child. Beverly Jenkins. I've never read Beverly Jenkins, but the girls in my book club love her, okay? They love her. It seems like every so often they just get stuck on her books, and then that's all the group is talking about is Beverly Jenkins. But I've never I've never read one. Romance books aren't necessarily my thing, you know. Um they were more my mother's thing growing up. I remember she had all like these Harlequin books around the house and everything. And, she'd come right home immediately after work and she'd check out and she'd read a book. Similar to this, she probably would have really dug this chick, especially if it's historical. She loved historical romance. But I will give her this. You can learn a lot of historical facts in those historical novels because a lot of them are, when they write about that era, a lot of them are factually correct. So, I mean, there's learning in them. Keep encouraging reading. Thank you, dear sister. Your initiatives all touch me. I am a reader from way back. My Aunt Shirley loved Beverly Jenkins. From Tangela B. Stanley. Tangela sent us stuff yesterday. Thank you so much, Tangela. And we've got another bag. Oh, look at 8 Little Planets. When I was a kid, I loved these cardboards when I was little. The cardboard books. And that's why I put so many of them on the list, because it's an homage to my childhood self, to my child self, my little girl self. That is, you know what? Oh, this is going to be a blessing for some baby. Look at. Oh, I love this. I'm going to put more of these on the list. We got to get more of these in there because, we can't bless just one baby with it. Aw. Who sent it, though? Oh, there's something else in here. Toothbrushes. People just took toothpaste out today. I don't know if they took toothbrushes. I kind of got the toothbrushes where they like towards the back where, they kind of can't see it. But I have so much stuff in there now. I really didn't have any choice at the moment. So I'll make sure I fix that soon. Let's see who sent this. Shirley. Thank you, Miss Shirley Reese. And we've got one more last bag left. It's a book. I love books. Don't y'all love books? I love a book. I do. Beverly Jenkins again. And it's Tangela B. Stanley again. Thank you. I don't know why they sent all your stuff like they did individually like that. Or maybe you ordered them at 3 different points. I don't know. But either way, it all got here safely. And we thank you for it. And your aunt who loved Beverly Jenkins. I know that this was a sentimental buy for you. And bless your dear heart. Thank you, everybody. This concludes our unboxing for today. I thank you so much. Today was such a good day. I hope y'all had as good a day as I did today. Today was just a good, relaxing day. And I needed that. I did. Y'all have a blessed evening. Sit down, pour you a cocktail, put on your favorite cozy thing, cuddle up to your babies, fur or otherwise, child, man, whatever, self. do you. And just have a great evening.